everyone, KELLYSHAFFNER here. Welcome to my channel. I have a ThredUp mystery shoe unboxing to share with you. I know you read the title and that is why you're here. I'm so excited to get into this box. I have not opened a ThredUp mystery box in a long time, and I'll tell you what, I do feel kind of like a kid at Christmas right now. I can't think of a better Christmas gift than a great big box of shoes. I am a shoe lover. Ever since I was old enough to buy my own shoes, I had to work and buy my own shoes. I have been collecting shoes and I love selling shoes. I thrift shoes and sell them online for profit on Poshmark. So today's video is a 15-piece ThredUp shoe unboxing. I paid $80, which brings the cost per pair to $5.33. I did have some credit that I used on this box. I'm really excited to get into it. I know you are waiting to see the shoes and not listen to me chat. Let me grab my knife and open this box. This box did come from Phoenix, Arizona. This is the first reveal. Here is my invoice. We do have, oh, I see Espadrille wedges. One sheet of tissue. And this is what it looks like on the inside. A little bit more tissue in there. Okay, my first impression is, hopefully this box is going to amaze me. All right, we'll start with these. Well, there's glitter all over these. I don't know if you'll be able to see that glitter, but there must be something glitter in this box. This is what these look like. Yeah, more glitter, lots of glitter on these. These are Vera Wang, Simply Vera Wang, which is a Kohl's house brand. These are a little beat up. I don't know if you'll be able to see. I'm sure this is a faux leather, although it says right here. Yeah, man-made materials. These are a size 9. They're in decent condition. Platform, peep toe, high heel, sandal. Okay, and next up we have the Espadrille wedge, and this is another really high, I would say that's at least 5 inches Espadrille wedge that look like this. Now these are a good size. These are a size 11, but I don't see a brand on them. Let me put that down. No brand, but they feel like leather. Oh, okay, I don't know if you'll be able to see it right there. These are Stuart Weitzman. They do have some toe marks in them, so I'll have to try to clean that up. Okay, Stuart Weitzman, this looks pretty contemporary. It's not perfect for the season that we're going into, but it's a good brand and a contemporary style, and they're in. I don't see any flaws on them other than those toe marks, which hopefully will wash out. So, okay, these are good. It's looking up. All right, the next pair of shoes are some suede. These are kind of a blush suede leather ballet flat. And they have glitter all over them as well. Oh, these are Garnet Hill. I've never sold Garnet Hill shoes. Can you see that? Garnet Hill. They look like leather. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not leather soles, but the suede on these are really dirty. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it needs a little bit of work. What do the toes look like? The toes are not too badly scuffed. I might be able to clean these up. They'll definitely look much better once they have a good brushing and a little cleanup. We'll see. All right, next up is the Sienna. Oh, okay. Things are really looking up. These are good. These are good. These are good. Okay, I know. Why am I making you wait? These are Manolo Blahniks. Blahniks. Manolos. OMG. Look at these. Okay, these are a gold metallic flat sandal, leather bottoms, of course. What size are you? Size 39. These are my size. They've been worn. I can see some toe prints in them. And of course they have leather soles, and the soles have wear on them. That's to be expected with leather, but these are in good shape. Just a little cleanup, and I can sell them if I don't want to keep them. Okay. I'm very happy now. I'll take these. These are Tom's, size 7.5. Tom's, I do really well selling Tom's shoes. These are a Cork platform. This is a canvas upper. Yeah. Oh my gosh, these have so little wear on them. So on Toms, they always have these soft bottoms, usually have soft bottoms, and that will eventually wear off. So you can see that canvas type cloth bottom has not been worn off. There are some toe prints. Those will be easy to wash out. These are in great condition. Again, more of a spring or summer shoe, but I will go ahead and list them right now. Next up, we have a pair of misshapen. These need to be shaped. These feel like leather. This is a kind of a tan nude color, peep toe flat Diorce there. These are by the brand Nine West. They look like this. What size are you? Size 8. That's my size. I don't need these, but you know what? I'm going to list these to sell. I personally have Nine West shoes in my closet, my own closet that I love. And I received in a ThredUp box a pair of Nine West shoes that I didn't like at all. One of my friends encouraged me to go ahead and list them. They were the first pair of shoes to sell at full price. So I don't thrift Nine West shoes for resale, but I will definitely list these because people like them. Okay, next up is a pair. These are man-made. These are synthetic. I can tell by the feel, but this is kind of a caged Gladiator style lace up. There is a zip in the back there, but Wedge. This is also, I can tell this is cheap. These are by the brand Restricted, and I don't know what, these are probably from like Marshall's, TJ Maxx. They do have that dot inside that says that they are a size 8. These are okay. I'll look up the comps. Actually, I'll put all the comps on the screen so you can know how I'm doing before I even know how I'm doing. I might sell these again, not right for the current season. What is that? Oh, there's a price tag on the back. Oh, 20. Did someone try to sell these for $20? I think that's a stretch. I don't know. You're looking at the comps, so we'll see. We'll see if I can get $20 for these. All right, the next pair of shoes are also sandals. They look like this. So real minimal looking. I do like those big buckles though, the big gold buckles on these. These are leather. They do feel like a nice quality. The brand on these is Franco Sarto, and that's a good brand of shoes. I mean, they use nice quality materials to make them. These look small. Let me see. Can I see the size on them? They're probably my size, and I think they look small. 7.5. So I will definitely list these and expect them to sell in the spring. All right, in every ThredUp box, I always get some heels, and these are my heels, and they look kind of dirty. Can you see there's pet hair inside, and they're misshapen, which isn't a big deal. Are these leather? These are... The upper is leather and the balance is man-made. These are a pointy toe, probably about a 3-inch heel. How do those heels look? A little bit of damage, just a few nicks. They're still sellable if I can clean them up. The brand on them is Rockport. Never ever sold this brand before. They do look comfortable. They do have a nice kind of, looks like a comfort sole on them. You know what? I'm going to give these a try simply because I've never sold this brand before, and I do see them in the thrift store frequently. So we'll see how they do. And those Rockports are a size 9 in case you were wondering about them. Next up is a pair of booties. These are a pair of peep toe booties, kind of in a tan, not even tan, more of a taupe, tan taupe color. They look like this. Interior, is that an interior zip? Inside zip, but look at that lace up detail on the outside. That is really cute. Nice substantial block heel, or stacked heel I should say. A little bit of dirt though on there. This is what the bottoms look like. And so they're a size 8, and the brand is Soul Society. Can you see it in there? Soul Society. This is a brand that is sold at Nordstrom. It might be a Nordstrom house brand, and Nordstrom Rack, you can find it there. I like this particular brand. This is a genuine suede leather, so I think these will sell. I can't really figure these out. The brand is Selena by Summer Rio. Selena by Summer Rio. You see that? They don't feel like much. They're interesting. They're interesting. They do have a price tag on them right there. That, I don't know if that is a consignment store, a lot of numbers. There's a barcode, and it looks like the price tag was $19.99. It says 30 marked down to $19.99. Little rhinestones. Yeah, it is. It's got crystal rhinestone buckle there. This is a kitten heel, and the kitten heel is also ornate. Size 8. No, it feels cheap. Can you see right here the insole is coming up? So that will have to be repaired. I've never seen this brand. I'm not familiar with it, but I don't think it is much. We'll see. Okay, this is the final layer of tissue. We have, it looks like four or five pairs of shoes. This is a cheap, platform faux suede heel. This is by the brand Xappeal. Who sells Xappeal? I've seen this before. I've never picked them up. This is a good size. Oh, it's a size 9. The style name is Starburst. Xappeal. Is this Target? I really don't know. They're in good shape. You know why they're in good shape? A few little nicks on the heels right there, but because I bet they're uncomfortable. They're also dirty. I find that sometimes these shoes, these high heel platform shoes, come in really good condition because somebody bought them for an event. They were uncomfortable and then they donated them. So anyway, we'll see. We'll see about these. These are kind of funky. These are purple. These are Michael Kors. They're Michael Kors. Purple leather quilted ballet flat. Probably would have passed these in the thrift store, depending on the price. If I could pick these up for a couple dollars, I would definitely get them. This brand is tough for me to sell, but I think someone is going to enjoy them. They do need the insoles. They're dusty, and they do need a good cleaning, so I'll clean them up. I'm happy with these. I like to add kind of funky colors like purple and greens to my closet, so I'll take these. All right, these next shoes are sueded, and you can see right there, these are a little dirty. Even on the toes, there is wear on the, not wear, dirt. There is dirt on a big Cork, tall Cork platform. Oh my gosh, these are Stuart Weitzman. Okay, I wonder if these are 11s as well. They are. These were probably donated by the same person. Very little wear, but there's a lot of dirt, and this dirt may be there. I mean, obviously they've been worn. You can see that there, but they're a lighter color, which is more difficult to clean than the other more mustard suede shoes. Oh, I'm kind of excited about the Stuart Weitzman. Stuart Weitzman is a slow mover for me, but it is a solid seller in my closet. All right, next up is a pair of sandals. Keep in mind, this box comes from Phoenix. I don't know if that plays into the amount of sandals, or, I mean, maybe not, maybe not. I do not see a size on these sandals. They look little. This is probably the smallest size in the box. This is what they look like. They do have this jewel detail on them. They feel cheap. The brand is American Eagle Outfitters. American Eagle Outfitters. Okay, is that Payless? American Eagle is Payless, and American Eagle Outfitters is American Eagle Outfitters. It makes sense, right? I don't know what I'll do with these. Like I said, they're all man-made, they're small, and we'll see. All right, this is the last pair. Surprise, surprise, it's another pair of sandals. They look like a big sandal, though, just block heel. They're, oh my gosh, you guys, they are Fry sandals. Can you see it right there, Fry? Do they have it's right there too, right there in white. It's the Fry symbol. Okay, this box is pretty good, guys. Now these are like a two-tone sandal. White leather in the back, and then the insole and the front strap are kind of a nude color. These are in nice shape too. Nice shape. This is what the heel looks like. A little mark on the heel, but nothing to write home about. What size are these? These look big. I'm wondering if I got somebody, size 11, just donated all of their, I can't find it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, this one is a size 9. They look larger than a 9 to me. But I'll take it, and I will clean these up. No problem at all. This is definitely worth my time to polish these up for resale. So, what do you think about this box? Guys, I am pleased about the Manolo Blahniks, and I'm pleased about the Fry sandals, the Stuart Weitzman. There's the Soul Society. I like that brand as well. I mean, overall, it was a decent box. Will I make my money back? Absolutely. Will I make a profit? Hopefully, I will make a little bit of profit on this box. You know, you've seen the comps, what I'm kind of expecting to make on this box. We'll see. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I have company coming to town, so I don't know if these will be listed when this video goes up, but they will be listed in my Poshmark Closet very soon. I always leave that information in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done that, and I will see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.